Hello, good morning. I'm Grandma Alice here. Today I'm going to cook the chop suey from the leftover food from Chinese New Year. It's a very famous dish. Everyone knows how to cook. So I'm introducing the thing on the table here. The mustard green, the pork leg, roast pork leg, dry chili, and Asam Gelugur, and a piece of ginger, sardine, a little bit of salt, and tomato sauce. So now what to say? Put half a pot of water, let it boil, and then put in the pork bones and the leftover and boil it for half an hour. After that, put in the dry chili, Asam Gelugur, and ginger. Enough already. Don't so much. Okay. Boil another 10 or 20 minutes. Then put in the greens. And when the greens are softened, then put in the sardine. 3杯好啦。
3 dishes.
Okay. And the tomato sauce. Put in the 2 teaspoons of mushroom seasoning and then cover the pot for another 45 minutes until the veggie is softened. Now the chop suey is ready to serve. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you now know how to cook chop suey. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. There are more videos on the way. วัดขวาลูกเอาเลยไป
This is the veggie.
What is it called?
ไก่ช่อย ไก่ช่อย
Hey, Choy.
煮鮮菜嘅。
This one called what?
This Assam.
Assam.
Take the solo also.
This solo. I solo.
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 Take the white also.
This auntie saw auntie.
Okay, thank you.
有蛋喎，老弟。
有